Uh, Hello, everyone. Welcome back. We are back. I feel so much better, honestly. Um, that's good. That's good. Let me put on some music. Oh, wrong thing. I don't want to accidentally pull up the wrong thing. All these stars, I have a reason to shine. Alright guys, welcome back. I have been sick for the past like 5 fucking days. We're finally back. So let's get started. Wait. Yo, what up, what up, what up? Alright, let's get started. I am currently bullish on the day. I'm bullish bias going into the day. So I guess we'll just see what happens here. Yeah, bullish bias going into the day. Let's look for longs. I don't want to trade the XFA low key. I think I might just buy a Lucid account and trade that. Yeah, I might just do that actually. Because I want to full port my XFA. I want to full port my XFA tomorrow on CPI day. And try to like pass it. Not pass it, but like try to like try to get a good buffer on it. Alright, we just bought another account, so that's good. W's in the chat. We just bought 50k, so. Damn, I gotta restart my TikTok stream. Let's see. Yo, what up, Kinder Joy? Alright, we just bought an account, so hopefully we can trade it. You have to wait here. Let's see. I am bullish though, low going into the day. Why am I bullish? Price took out this low. And I wanted to see price respect this like new day opening gap, etc. This gap here, but we ended up inversing this gap, going higher, breaking above highs, and now this draw liquidity is basically what I want to see. But we already tagged it, right? So I'm expecting higher prices because we have this unfilled gap right here, so we could come back down to this gap here, we inverse these gaps here. So we could come back down to this 4-hour bullish fair value gap and then go higher. But I am currently looking for longs. Yeah, I'm going to be trading evals today. I'm going to be trading this eval that I have that I literally just bought. I literally just bought this eval. Yeah, there we go. I literally just bought this eval, so I'm going to be trading this today. And then tomorrow we're going to full pour CPI on my XFAs. And then hopefully we can get a good buffer. We'll see what happens here. But I am bullish, though, going to the day. Okay, WQ, how you feeling? I'm feeling amazing. I feel a lot better. I'm going to take, like, a little bit more Tylenol for the day. But I feel a lot better. I feel like my body's a bit more recovered. Let's see what happens here, though. Trade the eval. Let's see if we can, like, I want to see if we can halfway pass the eval today and then, like, full port tomorrow on both accounts. We have a slight it's not even it's not even a good fair value gap. Nah, it doesn't look that good. We have like these equal highs up here, unfilled gap. You're full pouring your fundeds. Yeah, can you trade news on the Lucids? Can you hold news? Can you trade news on Lucid accounts? Okay, bet you can. Why do you full port, dude? Come on. I'm only full porting CPI. And then evals. Bro, why? It's where I was faster funding, bro. I don't want to be on evals for too long, man. Gosh, dang. Hold on, let me up the views real quick. Let me up the views. Let me go on Top Step X real quick. I mean, this is something I would take, honestly. Stops at this low. Or a little bit like right here. And target like 5-minute highs. A reason to shine. All these stars, I have a reason. We have like this 1-minute gap here. We have like, you see, like we have like this 1-minute gap here. I know price is gonna go higher, but the SMT was what I was looking for. We didn't have SMT. That's why I wasn't like. That's why I didn't take on my evals. But this should work. Yeah, this high is very high probability. High probability as fuck. Take like some off here. Insane, bro. Oh shit. Yo, Yo. Okay, hold on. Now this should be chilling, cause like we're just coming out the EQ of this range. Just EQ of this range is all it is. Now, off this EQ range, I want to see another leg here form, right? Once another leg here forms, then boom, the EQ of that range, and then that should be your bottom tick if we're bullish. Yo, what up? What made this high probability? I'm gonna add another 5 here actually. Can I add another? Hold on. I'll tell you why it's high. Like this isn't high probability. The only reason why I didn't take it on my evals is because there was no SMT at the lows. That's why I didn't take it. But look at that. We would have bottom tick this area. I want to see this area here hold. I want to see this leg here hold. This leg here is holding. There we go. W leg in the chat. W leg. No, not that. I know what you're talking about. It's not that low that I'm talking about. I'm talking about like inside of this tiny little fucking fair value gap right here. I gotta stop cussing. Inside of this tiny little fair value gap, there's no SMT here that I liked on the 1 minute that I liked. So I didn't take it. Could you look tired? Yeah, and I'm still like kind of recovering from my sickness, but I feel a lot better. I feel like a bit more rested. I'm still like a little bit. I'm still trying to recover from my sickness. Bro, this is a real account, bro. What are you talking about? No, this is a real account. How to enter the Lucid giveaway? I'm probably just going to have at the end of the stream. At the end of the stream, I'm probably just going to have everyone spam their name, and I'm probably just gonna. I'm gonna have everyone spam their name. Yo, what up, Zay? See, again, more interested in making content than actually trying to get better trading. Sad, bro. This guy, bro. Who is this guy, bro? Who is this guy, bro? Again, more interested in making content than actually trying to get better at trading. It's sad. All right, bro. Used to be a huge supporter of you 2 years ago. Yeah, bro. Bro. No, bro. I appreciate that, bro. Thank you, G. There's always going to be a degenerate side, and there's always going to be a serious side. Do you not consider the SMT? Wait. Do you not consider the SMT low and SMT inside the 5 minute gap as the 5 minute being respected as your model formed? Wait. Do you not consider the SMT low? No. I only consider an SMT inside of a gap that I'm looking to trade out of. You entering this bullshit? Alright, bro. Bro is leaving hate comments, bro. I know, bro. Everyone's so mean. You enter this BS, bro. We're coming out of a 5 minute gap. I did not take, bro. This is a real account, bro. Why? No, this is a real account, bro. Hella real. Guys, Oh my gosh. Yesterday, I was eating out with my family, right? I was eating out with my family, and there's this guy, right? He comes up. He like we were sitting where all the plates were. We were eating at a buffet. Our fat ass was at a buffet. But we were eating, and this guy stare. Look, me and this guy make eye contact, right? We make eye contact. We're staring at each other, and I'm like, okay, what is this guy staring at? Blah blah blah. Like, okay, whatever. I'm gonna just go about my day. You know what I mean? Just eat my food, whatever. And then he comes up to me, and he's like, "Oh, you're cute out, right?" And I was like, "Yeah, bro, what's good, G?" And then turns out he watches the videos, and he's like, "Yeah, bro, when are you gonna be Timoth, bro?" And I'm like, "Yeah, bro, I'm working on it, bro. It's hard as fuck out here, bro." And then he was like, I think I said, "What platform are you using right now?" And he's like, "Tradify." And I was like, "Are you using code Q?" And I think he said yes. I'm not even sure. I kind of dazed. I kind of dozed off because I was just like I wasn't feeling myself. I was still a little bit under the weather. But yeah, type shit. We micro made it, bro. Why you said national long Q? No, it's because I'm low key still a little bit fucking sick. Like I feel a lot better, but like I'm still like trying to like fucking wake like I'm honestly I'm still trying to wake up. I'm gonna eat a little bit more fucking Tylenol and then hopefully feel a lot better. Earnings, bro. This isn't fucking Fortnite, bro. This isn't fucking Fortnite, bro. Oh yeah. Oh, hope you feel. Yeah, thank you, Issa. Bro, I get sick so fast, bro. It's actually annoying. Uh-oh. How was a camping trip? Bro, it was fucking freezing, bro. It was so cold, bro. Bro, cause like it turns out I don't know how to use a short. It turns out I don't know how to use a sleeping bag, bro. Cause I didn't know a sleep. I didn't know how to use a sleeping bag, so I was fucking freezing the whole night. Um, the sleeping bag, bro. I didn't like zip myself up. I thought it was just like a little like a cover. So I didn't zip myself up, and I was freezing my ass off, man. It was bad. It was bad. It was bad. I was cold. Will you not be trading real and bought a practice account? I am. I am trading real. I'm just waiting for a good setup. Oh shit. Oh my gosh. We're about to get stopped. Yes, I used the fucking sleeping bag as a blanket, bro. Yo, we might get stopped. Alright, hold on, put it down here. There we go. I built a big buffer on this account, bro. Don't even trip. This fair value gap right here, we need to inverse it. Now, this is a real account, bro. What are you talking about? Were you in Dubai a year ago? I was in Dubai a year ago, yes. Bro, got the pH colors. What's the most, let me, oh, we got stopped. Oh, brother. Most, upcoming, was it upcoming, holiday? What's the next holiday? Isn't it Easter first? Upcoming holidays. My gosh, why is it so blurry? Hold on, I gotta change colors. Easter colors. Baby blue, light pale pink. Alright, we gotta go Easter colors actually. Pale pink. Immense green. Oh, this hurts my eyes, I can't lie. Nah, we gotta go back to like... Honestly, these colors aren't bad. They're not that bad. I like it. Guys, it's Easter coming up, bro. Alright, let's see what happens here. I am bullish going to the day. So we have no high time from gap though. That's the unfortunate part. We should hang out one day, bro. I would literally get body slammed by a whole bunch of other people, bro. Like I if I hung out with like one of my like friends or one of the people online, bro, I'll probably get like flamed IRL, bro. Hold up, I'm gonna take a long here. Oh my gosh, did I get saved or what? I got fucking saved. Oh my god, thank god I didn't have a stop loss, bro. I literally got saved here. Oh my gosh, I got saved. How did I lose $17? How did I lose $17, bro? I'm so lost on how I lost money when I went broke even, and I made sure I made enough to not lose any fees. Spreads. Oh my god, this bro. Oh bro, I'm starting to hate this platform, bro, because it's so weird. Like, I would make enough to make sure there's no spreads, and I'll make sure there's enough to like for me to not lose any money, and I still keep losing money, bro. It's so weird, bro. I'm being so serious too. This Tradify app is literally not the move. I can't lie. Quick playing off the charts, bro. I didn't even do, bro. I haven't done anything yet, bro. I'm not even. I haven't even like locked in yet. I got wasted because I didn't want to deal with myself tonight. Honestly, this should be your OTE level. We should bounce from here. Alright, so we have a 15-minute OTE level here that we're tagging. Yeah, see how we're rejected off the OTE level over here? Go on the 5-minute, or go on the 2-minute, or what? Go on the 2-minute, bro. We just need to make a higher low, or higher high. Yes, I am going live tomorrow. We're gonna be full porting CPI. Is he liquidity? Let's see what happens here, bro. Bro, this Tradify app is low-key not the move. I need to wait for the alpha trader, bro. What's your strategy for CPI, bro? Just it's not my strategy, But like, I guess you just go like, I think 30 points where current market is and 30 points below where current market is. But last time I did it, bro, the spreads fucked me over, bro. Last time it didn't work for me, bro. That money go ring, ring, ring. Alright, bro, we're longing this shit.
Order rejected. Order filled.
We have OTE level here. Price came inside this hourly fair value gap. Hourly fair value gap dropping down to the 15-minute. We have a 15-minute CRT, making this a high probability rejection block for me. And price comes down to the OTE level of this area. And we should see higher prices here, low key. I want to see bullish price action here. Yes, these are Easter colors, bro. Why are you taking this on your evals? I'm waiting for a better setup on my evals. Actually, I'll take this on my evals, actually. Actually, I'm gonna wait. Yeah, no, I would wait here. I would wait this. I would wait for this on my evals. I would wait for this on my evals, bro. Even though it looks decent, bro. Even though it looks decent. I can't lie. It looks very good. Look, this trade here looks very, very good. I can't lie. Like we have SMT at these lows now. SMT these lows. We just CRT this area. Go on the 1 minute. We have a potential 1 minute fair value gap here with the breaker. I might take this. W trade. I told you guys, we're not bearish, bro. We're literally bullish as fuck. Honestly, price might literally just like rip. This is kind of the idea that I want to see price play. Yo, please tag me. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get tagged. Actually, I don't like this setup, bro. I can't lie. What's the discount on your code? It's 10%. It just depends on what account you get or what firm. I don't like this trade. We're reacting inside this 5 minute here. Chop that Chinese. All right, bro. I'm not even Chinese, bro. I'm not even Chinese, bro. I'm not even fucking Chinese, bro. I think price is going to come back down one more time, sweep out a low, and then go higher. Because we still need to respect this fair value gap. We need to have some sort of reaction here. If we inversed it, I would have taken it, but when is the giveaway, bud? After the stream. I want to do it live on stream, though. Why are you so unprofitable after 3 years of trading? I think my technical analysis just sucks, bro. I'm Mong. Among. My technical analysis low-key just sucks. Oh my god, this candle flipped on me, bro. Alright, see now like longs here look a lot better, bro. Because why? Because I did a long because we were active off this 5-minute, and I was like, this is the current leg. Either we need to inverse this 5-minute, and then for us to go higher, or yeah. I gotta sneeze. Yo, that was cringe, bro. I'm getting fucking banned off of that one. On ES, the trade looks so much better on ES, bro. I can't lie. Genuinely, could you not understand? Stay on brand. What does that mean? Because you think making money failing it's hindering your improvement. It's not. Yeah, my technical analysis just sucks. Like, it just fucking sucks. Learn from someone, bro. I've learned from so many people, bro. I've learned from so many people, man. I like this song actually. I'm listening to it. Bro, it's like empty out your pockets on the other with a million. Empty out your pockets on the other. We should see a reaction from here. You should have been with TGR. That's what I'm saying, bro. Low key. Would you guys be mad? Would you guys be happy if I told you guys TGR DM'd me, bro? Nah, I'm playing. That would have been fucking funny, though. Ah, shit. I want to go on private jets. I want to go to Vegas. Dude, that could have been me, bro. Maybe if I was a bit more, like... Maybe if I was a bit more, like controversial. Fake flexing. Yeah, if I would have been a bit more degenerate, bro. No offense to Timmy. Bro, maybe if I was a bit more degenerate, bro. Empty out your pockets on the order. I gotta sneeze, low-key. Oh, fuck. Bro, I look like I look like a tank just hit me, bro. I can't lie. My stop loss is your TP. Bro, there's a high probability rejection block right here. The CE is getting worked. It's so right. Just hold me in the dark. Can you genuinely get in a trade school and learn plumbing? You need a few more years to get it, prof. Fuck no. Bro, we're escaping the Matrix, bro. Bro, just me going to trade school is literally just a Matrix attack, bro. It's literally just a Matrix attack. Bro, when I get Dodgy's indicator, he claims he makes 6 digits off of it. Bro, it's cause I don't use indicators, bro. Wait, can you input your own indicator now? Oh, that's weird. On FX Replay you can. Cool course. I'm a DoorDasher, bro. I DoorDash for a living. Honestly, if we inverse this gap here, low key, you might get like a high probability setup. Yo, guys, low key, we might get another tornado today, bro. So I'm scared. If we inverse this gap here, bro, low key longs might be the fucking move. Thank you, G. You want to get tickled? Yeah. Damn, my nose is cooked. I'm giving it free. Bro, should I just like hot tool on that thing? What's a sinus infection? Hold on. Sinus infection. Meaning. I don't know if I have that. I need to start taking opposite trades as you, bro. Bro, no, I'm gonna start a fucking mentorship of people taking opposite trades as me, bro. I'm fucking tired. I'm done. I'm done with people like inversing me, bro. Yeah, I always hear 20 minutes. That's where you realized 700 words just out for the day. Alright, bro. Nah, bro. We're fucking like, bro. How did I get stopped out?
Order filled. Order filled.
This literally, I don't know how this got, I don't know how I got stopped out. We have a 15-minute rejection block right here. Oh, my love, if you treat me right, baby, I gave you everything. Talk to me. I want you meet me like a fall for me. If we inverse this gap here, low key longs might look good here. If we inverse this gap, longs here to this high might look decent. Waiting. Malos on ES. Damn, fuck. But he's favored for this. Like, it's been lappy, rather been the situation. What are you talking about, bro? I know I'm trading perfectly. I'm trading. My psychology is fine, bro. I think. Can't pass my Evo. Any tips? Full port, bro. Full port. A+ setups. See, like we took out the high. I told you. Yeah, these lows. We have SMT at these lows, bro. I'm probably not gonna take out these lows, and we just took out this low here too. So. And then we just took out these lows, inversion fair value gap. Like, this looks decent. Fuck, my nose. Like, bro, see, I told you guys. This rejection block's getting worked. Like, you guys think I was actually just randomly entering? No, bro. There's obviously some sort of like, there's some sort of, like idea behind it, bro. It's nights like this when I need someone. Honestly, a slight pullback. I'll take a slight pullback. I can't lie. I'll take a slight pullback. But I go with one contract though. If we get like this bullish fair value gap here, this would look decent. But we're about to inverse this gap here also, so we might just we could honestly could just fucking enter. Let's see if we can get a slight pullback. Can we get a slight pullback? My girl, my girl, my girl. You will be my world, my world, my world, my world. You will be my girl, my world, my world, my world. See if we can get a feel on this fair value up. I like this song. Go work for a Viet. Bro. Go work at a pho place, bro. Type shit. Bro, I told you, longs here are the fucking move, bro. No, we're not shorting this shit. We fell in love in October. That's why I love fall. Let's see if we can get like EQ of this range and this fair value gap. Fuck. My girl, you will be my world, my world, my world, my world. I told you guys, longs here are the move. Or your stop loss is my take profit. All right, bro. Like shut your ass up, bro. Like your stop loss is my take profit. All right, bro. Lock in, bro. Your stop loss is my take profit. Your stop loss is my take profit. All right, bro. Lock in. Oh fuck my nose. Yo, being sick is not fun, bro. Yeah, see, we get a slight pullback and then we reject off of it. Cause why? Cause if price is moving like this, if price is moving like this, where's the fucking thing? Price goes lower. This is exactly how price is moving right now. Yeah, we're still young. There's so much we haven't done. Getting married, start a family. Like, get out this bed. We might like reverse. I mean, we might not. Not reverse. Let's see if we can get a tag. Eddie wants to take that trade, but he missed it. Yeah, bro. This is a nice rejection block. I need some Xantric. What is Xantric? This trade wasn't good enough for me to take on my evals. We should take out this high. Bro, listen. This is your low risk buy. This fair value gap is your low risk buy. I just don't like it all the way up here because, like, he has too many gaps here for me to, like, not be confident. Because I don't know where I would put my stop loss if I entered here. Like, my stop loss would be too wide. See, I told you guys we're fucking bullish, bro. We're literally bullish. Why? There's no reason to go shorts, bro. Why am I bullish? Bro, yes, we did take out this high. We took out this high, right? And we have no inversions towards the downside on the H4, right? Like over here, what do? We sweep out these lows, kind of close it below, but it's fine. We inverse this gap. Now we're going higher. These are our next draws on liquidity. Price is going to go higher to these areas. This ought to be a banger trade. Bro, this is a low risk buy, bro. Just because you have NQ at the end of your name does not mean you're a professional. Oh my god, I gotta stop screaming. What is the low risk buy? So, a low risk buy, great question. So, if price is descending like this, this is your low risk buy. This fair value gap is your low risk buy. Right? So, price is descending, making lower lows. We end up taking out this low, sweeping out this low. Sweeping out the low. Let me just put it down here. Sweeping out the low. Right? And then price comes out, taking out the low, turtle sweeps the low. Now, price pushes up, creating an imbalance, right? But we don't get a change in state and delivery or a break of structure, because this right here would be the change in state or whatever it's called, right? This is your low risk buy. Why is it called a low risk? Because you're not risking as much, and like you're kind of targeting this breaker here, the breaker or the high of that made the lower low move, right? That's your low risk buy. That's why people either wait for like an inversion here before waiting for the CISD, right? People will enter off the inversion. There should usually be an inversion here. But the low risk buy is just a bullish or bearish fair value gap. And then once we break above this high, once we get the CISD or whatever, literally any pullback to the breaker or fair value gap, because now there should be like a fair value gap here, we should just pump. Same thing here, right? We have a low risk. We don't have a low risk buy. That's why I was a bit iffy. And guess what? We have an inversion fair value gap right here. Now, why do you think we just tagged into this fair value gap and then pumped? Why don't we come back down to these bullish fair value gaps? Oh, it's a breakaway gap. Well, motherfucker, we don't really know that until price actually does it, right? But this is usually our next entry. Once we break above the breaker, which is right here. Once we break above this breaker, literally this turns into a market maker buy model. This sell side of the curve turns into a market maker buy model. And this works with any time frame. Like right here, 5 minute. Like this is perfect on the 5 minute. See how like, oh, we took out this low, right? We took out this low, creating SMT divergence at the lows inside of a 15-minute gap. What? It's not pattern trading once you have the right bias. Once you have the right bias, pattern trading, bro takes a win, turns into a mentor, bro. I am a mentor, bro. Ku got hella knowledge, but no payouts, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, I see so much shit. Yeah, so thing is, like, the range wasn't balanced. Anyways, the range wasn't balanced. So there's no, like, we don't know. So this is perfect. Look at this. This right here, low swept, right? We have a low, high, lower low, right? And guess what? What do we have? Nothing. We don't have anything here yet on the 5 minute, right? But this is playing exactly how this is playing, right? We have a low gets swept, right? A low gets swept right here. We have a high, we have a low, high, lower low. Now this is our breaker on the 5 minute. Now any pullback to a 5 minute gap that should hold us and target the next level of south side. That's literally it. Bro, I can honestly become a fucking mentor, bro. Fuck it. Equal lows, gang. Yeah, we don't. Bro, we have SMT at the lows. I hate when you try to sound smart. I don't know what I'm saying. I do know what I'm saying. Cougar Epic, thank you, G. You need to make a course. So something, bro. I have so like, bro. You could have like the most knowledge, bro, and like still suck. Did he explain your entry? My entry is just this 15-minute rejection block because I saw that we had SMT at these lows. That quickly, ain't it funny? Love you, brother. So many haters. Thank you, G. There are a lot of haters, bro. Yo, we hit this as the 50K day, bro. This is real money, bro. There's also unfilled 4-hour below. Why would you long there, bro? That's a great question. I was bullish, right? Yeah. Thing is, look at YM. I mean, you could argue, bro, with ICT concepts, bro. You can literally like make so much shit up, bro. I can't lie. Like technically, we do have SMT at these lows between NQ and YM. YM tagged into this 4-hour bullish fair value gap, but NQ didn't. Right, so we have bullish SMT here between YM and NQ. And look at that, we have also SMT here also. A slight SMT here between NQ, YM, and ES. And this right here was already high probability rejection block, to be honest with you. And yeah, that's why I entered. If NQ can retrace into like a 5-minute gap here, I'll take it. This is real money, bro. You're broke. You're still a trader.
From blowing my eval, but what's crazy is I also just took the biggest win in my eval journey so far. So it could really go either way. Another crazy thing is I just learned the terms micro and mini, but I guess in Asia, like we use lot sizes. So I'm really curious to hear, like, where are you from in the world? Do you use micro and minis? Do you use lot sizes? Like, I'm super.
Hold on, I'm trying to spit game. Bro, our loss. Bro, she trades Forex, bro. Oh my god, Forex is an L, bro. I can't lie. Oh yeah. Oh, I don't know if you know the difference. I don't want to like teach you shit, but like pretty much. Oh fuck. Hold up. Okay, well, I don't know if you know the difference. I don't want to like sound like smart or anything, but Forex, it's usually lot sizes, and futures is usually micros and minis. The minis, if you trade minis, it's a lot more, but if you trade I'm just trying to get in the fucking bag. I'm just trying to get back in the game, bro. I already sent it, bro. It's already too late. She probably already saw it, bro. I am not the only traveler.
Do you use lot sizes? Like, I'm super curious because I've been hearing so many different answers recently. So.
Bro, this Johatsu is just a fucking hater, bro. Leave me alone. Alright, I want to see this fair value gap get created and then price reject off of it. We did take out just this low here, or this high. So I want to be a little bit careful here. Take me back. Boom. Filled. Alright. We just took partials. I did not start on Forex. Nah, bro. Gibbo, this is real money, bro. Oh my gosh, she sent the voice note. She sent the voice note back. Yo, I'm in the game, chat. Oh. If he was really confident he would take this straight on his evals, bro, chill, bro. Chill. Take me back to the night. Hope you recover from your cold soon, bro. Hugs from Chile. Type shit. Thank you, G. Thank you, G. Having a cold is not fun, bro. I literally, yesterday was my first day stepping outside in the past 2 days, bro. I literally have not stepped outside until yesterday. Bring me back to the night we met. Q, you were good. Thank you, G. I like to say I like to say I am. No, I'm playing. I'm a troll, bro. How much do you make from DoorDash? Bro, I don't DoorDash. I was just joking. I was just fucking joking. I used to though. I would honestly make like $500 a week. I can't lie, cause I would go every day, like around like dinner time. Bro, I just split my girl with this song, "Getting to My Feels." Bro, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry, bro. I sucked. Like, bro. Thing is, like, if I have a girlfriend, bro, I'm making sure she isn't. I honestly, if I had a girlfriend, bro, no girl is gonna be controlling me, bro. I'm sorry. I'm telling her, shut up and make me a sandwich. Timoth genuinely deserves a TGI collab way more than you. You're not even journal, bro. It's probably because he's way more unprofitable than me. So he's like, so I guess he honestly he probably deserves a lot more because like he's a lot probably way more unprofitable than me, like trading wise. Money, he probably has more money than me, honestly. Bro, I'm about to hop on some Reddit, bro. I'm about to hop on some Reddit True Tide, bro. I'm gonna look shredded, bro. Shredded to the bone. Candles on the screen control you, bro. There's no chance you'll do that, bro. Chill, 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 chill. Bro, chill, bro. They don't. These candles don't control my emotions, bro. I do journal my trades, bro.
Order filled.
Yo, banger! Banger! Let's go! Alright. W clip.
No, don't worry. You're not sounding like a smartass because I felt like a dumbass when I was like, what the hell? Like, I guess it's because I was always trading live before, and then I've just recently gotten into funded accounts. So when I look at different funded accounts, for example, like Top Step, it shows you like micros, minis, and I'm like, what? Like, my other trading friend had to like walk me through that. He was like, why do you not know what that is? And I was like, I know what that is in quantity. Like, I know which one equals like what lot size, but I was like, that actually makes sense. So thank you for explaining that, because that makes sense. If it's futures, it'd be micro minis, and if it's forex, it's probably lot size. So no, you didn't sound like a smartass. I honestly needed that explanation. I'm honestly gonna like strangle my trading friends, because when I was obviously confused what micros and minis were, it's obvious because I really don't trade futures. So like, yeah, no, seriously, thanks for explaining that, because now I feel like less of a dumbass.
Don't worry, girl, I got you. Like, I was in that boat for a little bit too, I can't lie. And then like once I like, started trading futures, I was like, okay, no, this makes a lot more sense because yeah, by the way, I don't know if you trade NASDAQ, but it's 10 micros. 10 micros equals a mini. Same thing with gold, like 10 micros equals a mini. And the mini costs more and the mini moves a lot more than the micro, but yeah, 10 micros equals a mini. Equals a mini. Wait, right? Wait. Does 10 micros on gold equal a mini, right? Right? Ten micros equal a mini on gold. Let me see. Okay, perfect. Bro, we just straight pump. There's no pullback. Yeah, I won. Banger! Yeah, I'm probably gonna get off though. Hurts. I'll be the first to say that. Alright, guys. I'm probably gonna get off. We will be here tomorrow morning. So what is it? We have CPI tomorrow. I'm gonna be full porting my accounts tomorrow. Oh, let me get rid of this. I'm gonna be full porting my accounts tomorrow. I have a funded account that I'm gonna be full porting. I'm down like 700 bucks on it. So, oh yeah, giveaway. Fuck, I forgot the giveaway. Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, you're right. You're right. I forgot about the giveaway. All right, guys, drop your name. I forgot. How can I do this real quick? Hold on. Let me make a Google form. I'm not gonna be able to type all this shit down, to be honest with you. Sorry. How to enter? You just comment on you just have to tag TJR, bro. And follow my Instagram and TikTok. That's all that is. There's not a lot of people here, so let's So you guys are probably going to get like some we fell in love in October. That's why I love fall. All right, make sure you guys join the Discord. I'm dropping the Discord link right here. I'm dropping the Google form link in the Discord. Join the Discord. Discord's in bio. So basically, you just click on the link. Click on the link and then type in your name. I'm giving everyone bro. I'm only giving people 5 minutes, bro. 5 minutes, bro. 5 minutes. I'm setting a timer, bro. I don't give a fuck. All right, 5 minutes, bro. You got 5 minutes. Once this 5-minute clock ends, bro, I'm sorry, but like, I have to stop it. All right, 5 minutes starts. Link isn't working, bro. Link is working, bro. It should work. It should work. It should work. Right here, and then you fill it out. You put in your name. Discord link isn't working. Are you serious? It works. Bro, it works. Alright, okay, W. Here's like, if people can't join it, here's that Discord link right there. Let me put it for the YouTube too. Yes. Honestly, you can enter as much as you want, bro. Fuck it. And then whoever gets picked, bro. But if you win what's the right name? It should be in the Discord link. Yes, enter Discord name. Enter your Discord name. I forgot to tell you. Enter your Discord name. And then, cause like, enter your Instagram name. Enter your Instagram name. Let me rephrase. Enter your Instagram name. Cause there's too many fucking fakes on Discord. I can't figure it out. So enter your Instagram name. Make sure it's correct too. If it's not correct, bro, we might have a problem. Make sure you guys join the Discord, and then you guys 30 response. Wow. Where do you get the form? The form is in the Discord. The form is in the Discord. You guys have 5 minutes, bro. 3 minutes now. We have 51 responses. Okay. Okay. We have all these people in here. Bro, who put the Discord link, bro? Type in your Instagram. Yes, submit as much as you want. Alright, submit as much as you want. Where's the form? The form is in the Discord. How do we enter? You just have to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and tag TJR on the most on. You just have to tag TJR. Honestly. I don't know how your server hasn't been reported, to be honest. I think it's, you remember saying, well, bro, it's freedom of speech, bro. Alright, let's see. You guys have 2 minutes. I'm giving away 2. Tag TJR. Yeah, so you tag TJR in the most it should be a TJR video. The form is in the trading chat. What the fuck's the video, bro? Damn, bro, I'm sick as fuck. You tag TJR here. Honestly, you don't even have to tag TJR, bro. I'll just do it for the love of it, bro. Bro, when you get pulled to Will's, bro, I think I'm Will's bad luck, bro. Every time I've joined Will's stream, bro, we've lost. Or we've either hit break even or we lost. I swear I'm his bad luck. And whenever I'm not in there, bro, he banks. I can't lie. The more entries you get is I'm putting unlimited entries. Yo, join the Discord. We have 56 seconds left. Join the Discord, fill out the link or fill out the Google form, and then type in your Instagram handle. I'll do it for you guys that right here. You guys have 40 seconds left. Let me put on some music. You guys don't have to tag TJR. You guys don't have to tag TJR. It's fine.
Because 1 micro equals like 0.01 lot, right? So obviously 10 micros would be like 1 mini, which is 0.1 a lot size, which makes sense. And then also, like, I understand lot sizes like precisely, so I know that a mini, right, would, I don't know, sorry, a micro would like barely move, which is really good if you're like live trading, need to mitigate a lot of risk. But then if you're trying to like what I do understand is that 40 minis, no, sorry, oh my god, 40 micros is like 4 minis, and that's like that's a pretty large quantity right there. So what's the pair that you usually trade and focus on?
Yes, you're correct. No, yeah, you're correct. Like 40 micros is 4 minis, and that's a lot of money. I can't lie. Like, you're gonna get emotional as fuck. Shoot, I kind of am whenever I'm trading for like minis, but I mainly focus on US stocks. So like I trade Nasdaq and ES, but I'll like hop on gold sometimes, like rarely though. And like I like trading gold too because like it's whenever gold is active or whatever, it's like evening time where I am, so it's just a lot easier. Shishi. All right, sorry, I'm talking to this girl. All right, let's get started. Sorry, I'm like kind of sick still, so I'm like trying to recover. All right, let's see. Where's the name? Let me turn off the fucking forum, bro. Everyone's still entering, bro. How do I get to the forum, bro? Quicker than I can think. Quicker than I can think. Oh my god, 400. All right, bro. I got unpublish this, bro. Okay, no more responses, bro. Okay, no more responses, guys. All right. You're telling me there's 496 people who fucking respond to this shit. All right. Let's run it. All right. All right. Okay. So I got the Google I got the Google sheet. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy everybody, obviously. And then copy. Oh my god, dude, there's so many people it fucking front. Oh my, bro. Why does the wheel look like this, bro? Fuck's sake. Wait, hold up. I think I did it wrong. I did it wrong. I need to go to ChatGPT. Make this into a nice form. Make this into a nice copy and paste. I'm using these names for a giveaway. If it's the same name, then keep it. The more entries. There we go. Hold up. Because on... Okay, there we go. Okay, we got Gibbo, Jordan Law, Zero, Aiden, David. I don't know if it's your last name. Samir, Aiden, SLC, Gibbo, Aiden, Dachi, Gibbo, Law, Vincent, SLC, Aiden, Zygo, Jordan Law, Gibbo. Yeah, so you guys get the gist. It's still going, so we have to wait for this to finish. Yo, I didn't put my username and put my last name. Yeah, it's as long as you guys can get like, oh fuck, guys, if this doesn't match your Instagram name, I'm sorry. you're not gonna get entered because like I don't know, because people can lie, bro. People can lie, bro. So like if it's not your Instagram name, I'm sorry, bro. Fuck my throat. Alright, so the giveaway is I'm giving away 2 Lucids, okay? 2 Lucids. I'm giving away 2 Lucids. So then pretty much what's gonna happen is when you buy the Lucid account, which is like what, $65, I think. It's $65. And basically I'm just gonna cash up you or some shit. Honestly, I'm just gonna cash up you like $65. Alright, you guys ready? Alright, spin the wheel. 3, 2, 1. Alright, I don't know who he landed it on. Vincent Almeme. If you can DM me. Oh my gosh. Q, I don't, because the more names is better. But I'm removing everyone that that one. So like right here, I remove all instances. There we go. Okay. Now, second, let's do another one. Last one, and I gotta dip. Dachi. Alright, the end. Alright, guys, I'm gonna be doing more giveaways at the end of the month, so don't even trip if you guys did win. I'm gonna be doing more giveaways soon. Alright, so Vincent and I'll make sure you guys are in the Discord. DM me or some shit. Yeah. Other than that, guys, I'm gonna end the stream here. I gotta go. I'm gonna drink some medicine and then get some stuff done. But alright, other than that, guys, I will see you guys all tomorrow. We are